TikTok. Newport, North Carolina, seeing its first good snow in about 6 to 7 years. It's coming down real good. About 2 hours worth of snow right now. And we got snow for the rest of the night, y'all. Tomorrow is gonna be a fun day, I know that. Everybody stay safe. Wow, this is impressive. Thank you, Lord, for such an amazing night. A lot of y'all hate snow because you see it all the time. But people on the beach, we be loving it. At least some of us. Look, Abby left her spoon out here. That would be my niece right there, of course. Out here. Love it. Love it. Y'all think of some stuff that we can do tomorrow. Because I know what. We got my niece and my nephew who has never seen snow before. And our dog. So that's what's exciting about the whole thing. Love y'all. Be safe. Alright. 2 hours in, guys. 2.5 hours. We got a good stick. And it's supposed to be like this all night. Hey, Ray Ray. Come here. Yeah, baby. It's your first snow, isn't it? Yeah, it's your first snow. It's her first snow. Woo! Come here, girl. Look at that, guys. Look at that snow. It's coming down good. Look at the road. Look at the road. Oh. Road is already complete. Well, not already completely snow, but close to it. That snow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yay. Yay. Cool. Wow, look at it's such fat snow too, man. Like a little kid. Who needs Christmas? Who needs New Year's when you have snow? Yay!